Introducing the BabySafe Belted Base from Britax. Designed for use with BabySafe infant carriers, the base offers you a safe and secure belted installation in vehicles. The unique belt tensioning mechanism ensures that the base is securely installed in the car. The infant carrier simply clicks onto the base, and removal is simple as can be. A single push of the Easy Press release button allows removal of the carrier while the base remains in your car. Extra stability is provided with the foot prop to enhance performance and stability, while inbuilt indicators confirm that the infant carrier and foot prop are installed correctly. The rebound bar reduces movement while maintaining a secure fit, ensuring a safer, smoother ride for your baby. As well as being simple to use, the BabySafe belted base can be folded into a compact package for easy storage. The Britax BabySafe belted base, independently recognized by consumer test organizations across Europe.